Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office. It is sort of a cloudy afternoon. We had some sunshine this morning, which worked great to get me up and going and getting a few things done before Mass this morning. And since then, we've had breakfast, we've had lunch, I've taken a nap, and now I want to spend a little bit of time up here in my office in my planner before we head to a Super Bowl party. So grab your planner if you want to join along with me, and we'll do a weekly reset and plan for the week ahead. So stay tuned for that, and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today for another planner video. So I have my mostly Jane's Agenda planner here. This is a disc-bound classic size planner. The outer cover in this sort of cappuccino mocha color is from Live Love Posh, but the majority of the inside of the planner is all from Jane's Agenda. So you can see nothing's changed a whole lot from my original setup that I shared a couple weeks ago. As far as this inner layout is concerned, we are going to flip ahead to today, and this will bring us to two things. So this is my list for today, which is a pretty long to-do list. This morning I had time to go through and sort of collect everything from the last week that hadn't gotten finished and needed to be added to the list. So you can see some days I used the planner a lot, some days I didn't. I had some of my own personal doctor's appointments and stuff this week, plus I had to help some family with doctor's appointments. So it was kind of a full week, and I had a lot that I was working on besides with our new Jordan Essentials Spring Summer catalog launch that happened on the 3rd, so last Saturday. So I've been working all week to get my catalog and sample packs mailed out to all of my customers. So if you're interested in finding out more, I'll have a link below to my Jordan Essentials website if you want to check that out. But besides that, I just had a lot of other things going on. So I didn't use this weekly page a whole lot. As you can see, I didn't use my checklist very much, but that's okay. I feel like if I have things set up and it's there when I want to use it, that's great. If I end up not using it, that's okay too. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to leave this marker here for today. What I will do is grab my weekly overview, which you can see this hasn't gotten moved. So that also tells you, like, I just feel like this first part of the month has really flown by. We're not to the middle yet, but we're getting close. So I'm going to drop my weekly marker in here, and then the today marker, I think I'm going to go ahead and move this forward because tomorrow is Monday. So that will give me my planner sort of set up and ready to go for that. And then the next thing I want to do is review my monthly spread. So that is here. So we're going to be looking at this week. And I also know we have a couple of events going on. So I'm going to take these two Monday pages out and flip to my weekly spread and my daily spread and just work on adding things to the next week or so in my planner. If I have time, I'll do 2 weeks, but we'll see how much time I have. So we'll start with the weekly overview and get that set up to begin with. Now you can see how this page looks once it's all filled out. One thing I've decided is I'm not going to try to do this program this month. I keep saying I'm going to do it and it's not happening. So I think I'd rather just wait and try to start that back over in March. And we'll just move up my audiobook there. So we'll see if I can do a little better on getting through some of my morning routine items. And the other thing I still need to add is my menu plan here, but I don't have my Silk and Sonder book with me, and that's what has my monthly meal plan. So I need to pull that out once we're all finished and add those menu items to my planner here for the weekly overview. So next, I'm just going to flip through each day of the week and add any events. This helps me as I open the new page each morning to know what my have to do or scheduled items are, and then I can just work on adding my to-do list from there. So let's work on our daily scheduled appointments and any activities that we know we have coming up and see where that leaves us. Well, I've gotten through the first several days of the week and I realized I need to add more of my daily planning pages into the planner. So I'm using the Daily 13 from Jane's Agenda, and this is the first quarter dated. So I'm going to get to the pages I need. So here's 16, 17, 18, and we'll go ahead and add in the rest of the month since I'm missing that as well. And that will take us to Sunday, March 3rd will be with this February pages here. Oops. Let me straighten that up and it'll pop right in. Okay, there we are. So now I can just finish up. I know on Saturday I have an event at one of my jobs that I need to help with. And then on Sunday the 18th, oops, I wrote this on the wrong day. I love my friction erasable pens for that reason. Okay, Sunday I have a speaker event. Then Saturday, this is where the Valentine's dinner, and I don't know how long that'll take, but at least till probably 9:30. Okay, now we have, oh, and the other thing, on the 18th, I will just add my mass schedule in. I don't think I'm giving out communion again until the 25th. Okay, so now I have all of next week with my basic events and scheduled tasks and plans filled out. So that helps me go into the week knowing a little bit more what I have in store and what things I need to work on tackling. If I had a little more time, I would go ahead and set up the next week, but I don't have that. But perhaps next time I'll talk to you a little bit more about when I can do 2 weeks of planning at a time and how that works out and the benefits of that. And that'll be a topic for another video. So let's go ahead and put my monthly pages back in here, and I can gather my things and grab our snack that we're bringing, and we can head to the Super Bowl party. So I hope you enjoy your time this afternoon. So thanks for joining me. Have a good one, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.